Hola amigos, son las instrucciones para hoy, el 17 de mayo. Vamos a tomar apuntes nuevos de gramática con el indicativo o subjuntivo. So we learned how to do the subjunctive last chapter with impersonal expressions, but there are some impersonal expressions that we do not use the subjunctive with. We just use regular present tense or indicative tense. So you're going to print these notes, fill them out, use either Cami or handwrite them, whatever is easiest for you. You'll use the Edpuzzle video to fill them out. And then you'll learn when to use subjunctive, when to use indicative. It's pretty straightforward, just a little bit of review, going back to regular present tense on there for you. And then you'll do the Did You Get It on Go formative, where you will be practicing between the two, subjunctive or indicative. You'll decide which one to use. Very straightforward. Conjugate the verb that's in parentheses here in either preterite or imperfect. This section, you're going to write the full sentence using subjunctive or indicative, depending on what you're starting with. And then this last one here, you're going to be reading the statement and deciding if it's true or if it's not true. Es cierto que or no es cierto que. Use cierto for this section instead of verdad. And then you're going to decide if this verb stays in the current tense or if it needs to change to the subjunctive. And then you'll rewrite that sentence there. And then for this last one, I'm asking you if these certain things are true. So, es cierto que blank. Es cierto que los políticos quieren proteger la naturaleza. Is it true that politicians want to protect nature? And I'm going to tell you the answers just so we can all have the same answer. Sí. So you're going to tell me either yes or no. And then either es cierto que or no es cierto que, and decide if this verb needs to change to the subjunctive. So again, we're going to learn that in that video. You'll see that if things are true, we're going to use indicative. If it's false, we're going to use subjunctive. And so that's how you will complete this activity. We will quiz on this topic at the end of this week. This is our last chapter. We're near in the end. If you're a senior, you're going to take your exam this Wednesday. So be preparing for that. If you have any questions, let me know. Adios.